GeoERA is a big program which is about different topics related to earth science. So it's about geoenergy, it's about raw materials, and it's about groundwater issues. We have challenges within all these areas at a European level. The GeoERA information platform project is part of the whole GeoERA program. The GeoERA program is a 3-year program with 15 different geoscientific projects. They will all produce large amounts of geospatial data, maps, 3D models, and other kinds of things.
The part that the ICME is doing in this project GIP-P is communicating both the results of the project, although each project has its own communication issue by themselves, and also the results of compiling data, harmonizing data, producing websites with the data available to everybody.
We are helping them to organize their data, standardize their data, and disseminate their data in a common way.
As soon as every single scientific data is harmonized, then interpretation of the thing as a whole can be done. So it's clearly a great advantage to any scientific center, any scientific in Europe, any cities in Europe to have the data collectively harmonized for the whole Europe.
We are mainly communicating to the scientific world, you could say, and so it's probably not a well-known project for the ordinary citizen. We still hope anyway that we will produce results which is for the benefit of the ordinary citizen.
Our targets here are basically scientists, because scientists are going to use the data, but then politicians to see that it is possible to be done, that the information is available for them in an easy, understandable way, information that can be of use for politicians to produce legislation. But finally also the general public that will be having transboundary maps that can be enlarged to the level of their own city or region. If you need to know which areas of Europe will be flooded, you can get information about which areas of Europe will be flooded. If you need to know where you can find the best natural stones in Europe, you will find that information.
We have no real idea about the amounts of data, but it'll be a lot, that we know.
One of the most interesting things in the project is that when we started the project, we didn't know what kind of data all the other projects would deliver. And we have actually been working up to now mainly on finding out what requirements they have to the platform, what kind of data they will deliver, how they will deliver them.
We've had a specific focus in GeoERA on the sustainability of the results afterwards.
When we are setting up this system, we are not only thinking about the GeoERA project. When we are thinking about how to set up the database, we have figured out a way to do it so that in the future, if there comes a new project, we can very easily set up a space in the database for that project. We know how to make the user management, so users from future projects easily can also upload their data or register their services on the platform and easily make their own maps in the future.
We are building on the so-called European Geological Data Infrastructure, EGDI, which was already in place before GeoERA started. So we are extending that platform, and we are also building and relying on that this platform is something that will last many years into the future.
When we are looking at the old Aquí platform, it is very nice for showing 2D geographical data, points and lines, polygons, maps, and web map services and that kind of data. But if you look at the names of the GeoERA projects, there's a lot of them including 3D in the names of the projects, and a lot of them are making geological models. That kind of data is not possible to store in the present Aquí platform. So one of the major tasks is to be able to store 3D geological models.
I think we are around 45 different partners in GeoERA altogether. Most of them are national geological surveys.
The fact that we are working together from the same point of view all around Europe makes the project successful per se.
We see GeoERA as a stepping stone towards geological service for Europe.
All these geological surveys of Europe are getting together to have a single way of producing harmonized data on earth sciences throughout Europe. That is a key factor of the project.
It's a big, challenging project, many partners. We really have a lot of requirements from a large diversity of projects to fulfill, and I think we are on track. So in that way, I'm quite happy with the project.